we're at 1407 Aston. We had several leaks, and we had to redo the bathroom. This kind of
Sink drain head.
sink drain had to be replaced. All the plumbing has been approved, so we had to run a vent pipe up the side. Wesley, tell us what's going on with the bathroom.
Oh, bathroom.
Right.
Well,
We had to redo the bathroom.
yeah, we totally redo the bathroom. And we got all the walls reinstalled, new.
Wow,
Tub
I like the
installed.
way you did that shower.
It does look good.
Yeah, that's unique.
It's basically ready to go.
Yeah, we had to tear out the bathroom and totally redo the bathroom.
Floor too.
Yeah, the floors was bad and rotted out, and we had several leaks. So now we got the bathroom intact. And all the gas is running. So I think we're ready to put the furniture in here, right?
Right. It's ready to be printed.
Okay, it's ready to be furnished. We got to do a cleanup. Clean and prep is going to come back, clean up all the stuff. We got all the heaters working. And the last that we got to do, we got this heater here working, so the gas is working. And just little details like the little light fixtures, change those out a little bit. All the painting has been done. We just got to get it, we just had to finish up with all the leaks and what have you.
Do we know what he's saying?
No, really, you don't know what you're doing.
No, you said drop down. No, what you mean?
Drop it in. You just drop it in.
That's all.
That's all.
Okay.
Yeah, the flooring has been done. We had a big hole here. That's been taken care of. All the blinds are in, the new blinds. And this is all the old plumbing that came out of here. 1407 Asti, signing off.